In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest business idea to start with $0. So on this business idea, you do not have to invest any monetary value. You just have to invest your skills. So the first thing, go to Google and search fivver.com. So once you do search fivver.com, actually when you input fivver.com, it's just going to take you direct to the website because you're using the URL. So on Fiverr, it's a freelance marketplace whereby you are able to list your skills or offer your skills, and somebody who is in need of the services you're offering is going to pay you to perform certain gig activities for him or her for a certain pay that you can be able to set out as a price for your skills. So if you check on fivver.com, it's really a good website, very clean. So the first thing you want to do is just come here and search for any skill. So we just want to understand the skills that you can do. So if you're a digital marketer, so the first thing you can come here and search is digital marketing. So you want to understand what are the rest of the digital marketers doing, or what services are the rest of the digital marketers offering. So if you do search for that, we are going to have the results of a majority of the people who are offering digital marketing services similar to what you are skilled in. So I just want to take a look at the services these people have listed here. Then you can use that to model what you're going to put out here on Fiverr as the skills you're able to do. So maybe you can just come and select the person with the highest reviews or ratings. Maybe you can go with this person here with a rating of 4.9 and 519 reviews. So just open this. So the person here says, I will do DIY marketing strategy plan and manage digital marketing. So if you take a look at what this person is doing here, let's see, it's a she, yeah. So she's listing the services that she's offering as a digital marketer, and as you can see, she's given about the gig. So are you a tenacious business owner or entrepreneur and trying multiple strategies to hack your growth? If yes, we can help you develop a DIY marketing strategy that helps you understand the market in depth and narrates easy to follow steps for execution. So for you to list your gig here, you want to understand the problem that you're trying to solve for somebody. So if you're trying to solve marketing needs for somebody, you want to list that as something that you're going to give of value to the person who actually books your gig on Fiverr. So the next thing is what will you get in the marketing plan? So you'll get market demand analysis and understand real-time market, so customer journey, pain points, and user journey. So here you want to list the benefits a person who is going to pay you to do this activity is going to get from your end. So you just want to list all the benefits that the person is going to get, or the business is going to get from booking with you on the skill that you're offering here on Fiverr. Then you're also going to list the processes so that the business or the potential customer understands the process that you're going to take, so that his or her goal is achieved, or the objective that they wanted to accomplish is achieved using the steps you're going to offer. So you're also going to list your industry here as well. Then about the seller, you're going to list your contact details so somebody can reach out to you, and also you're going to leave a small description of yourself or some buyer there so that the person is able to know maybe more about you. And the good thing about Fiverr is you are able to list your business using three plans here. So we have the basic plan, which goes for a little bit less. Then we have the standard plan here, which goes for say middle of the range there. Then we have the premium set here, whereby you list all your best activities. So if the person wants to have the best of the services you offer, they are going to go with the premium package. So you also list out the dates or the number of days you need to execute the skill that the person has come to purchase from you, or the number of days you need to execute the gig that is going to be bought from you. So that is also a good thing. So you want to list minimum variations of your skill as on the basic plan. So maybe you can offer limited services on the basic plan. Then on the standard plan you can add a little functionality or a little more activities to your plan. Then on the premium plan, this one here, this is where you want to list all your best activities or all the best skills that you have, and the best plan you have to be able to achieve the goals of the person who is booking you. So maybe we can just go back and select another person, let's say website developer. So if you are a developer, so website developer, if you do search anything, click on enter. If you do search anything, you're going to get a result from this. So let's see, one here says I will design and develop a modern responsive WordPress site. So this one has over 1,000 reviews. So seems like he's done quite a number of gig activities. And if you can see from these listings we have here, and I believe this is also assisting this person in getting quite a number of gigs. If you can see at the thumbnail he's using in his listing here, his thumbnail is the one that stands out compared to the rest of the team. You can see the others are a little bit dull, but the thumbnail this person is using here, it's really eye-catching, and this is the one I believe is driving more sales to his gig activities offering here. So we can just take a look at another listing here. Then also you see he has a good thumbnails or pictures of the services he's offering. So this should be the selling point as much as possible. So just let's open this one here so that we see what is needed or what you need to select. So if you can see, we have already 7 orders that are in queue. So this person has 7 orders that are currently pending, or what has been booked, and he needs to deliver those. So let's see if you come to the packages he's offering. So he's offering the basic plan at $115. Then we have the standard plan at $245. Then we have the premium plan at $445. So you see, using these plans you can really mark up your prices, and people will actually book you if they see that you have good reviews, they see that you are offering services that they actually need. So remember, this is a business you can start with $0. You do not need any prior investment. You just come to Fiverr, create an account, list your services, list your skill, and start getting gigs for the business you've listed there. So remember, let's just take on the basic plan. I just want to show you the different variations of this plan so that you can know the same thing you're going to do in your listing, so that you are well aware of what is needed when you're listing these different packages. So if you see on the basic package, he says he's going to create a one-page WordPress website. Then it does not have design customization. It has content upload, it has responsive design, it has 3 plugins, stroke extensions, and remember, these plugins are free on WordPress. So these plugins are free, and I believe it's something that is really easy. You just go and select plugins and download and install them into the WordPress site. So it's really easy. So you see, it has some limited functionality. We do not have e-commerce functionality, products, limited products. We do not have design customization. So this is a basic plan at $115. So if somebody wants to have e-commerce functionality, I believe this is offered in the subsequent packages. So if you come to the standard package here, now you see the pages are now increasing. We have 5 pages, but initially on the basic plan we had 1 page. So this is something you can mark up. So if you can do digital marketing, let's say in 30 days, yeah, if on the basic plan it's 30 days, on the standard plan you want to say you can do it in 20 days, then on the premium plan you want to say that you can do it in 15 days or 10 days. So you want to give the client an option to go with the premium package or the standard package, so that they can get their results in a short period of time or a quick turnaround. So you want to play around with these functionalities, or play around with what you can do and what you can deliver within a certain time frame. So the next one you see is we have content upload, we have responsive design, we have 8 plugins. So remember the last one we had 3 plugins, so this one has 8 plugins. Now if somebody wants more plugins, they are going to go with the next plan, which is a premium plan, because it really highlights that if you need more, you need to pay more. So just come to the premium plan here. So on the premium plan now, you see we have all the functionalities enabled. So we have 8 pages, we have design customization, we have content upload, we have responsive design, we have 10 plugins, we have e-commerce functionality, and we have 8 products. So I believe majority of the people will want to go with this premium plan because it comes with all the needed activities to run a specific website, because it has e-commerce, it has content for your blog, it has the necessary plugins maybe to work in accordance to what is needed to push your website a little bit further so that it looks like a premium design website. So you can see this is why the guy here is getting quite a number of orders, and you can see we have 7 in queue. So the next thing is you just want to list everything that is needed. So if you can see the person here lists his name and also his skills. You want to put forward the best thing you can do, or what you are really talented or skilled in. Yeah, so you want to put that at the very top, so that a person who is hiring you knows that this person is really skilled in this sector, or this person is really knowledgeable in this part of the skills that we need in terms of getting the job done. Yeah, so and also you can see I have experience with a large range of projects in WordPress, including but not limited to a business website. Learn further what you can do. So just list out the best things you can do, and people notice. So people do notice if you are skilled or not. So if you just list out all your activities, people are going to see that you've taken an extra foot in terms of trying to get out there and place what you can actually do, or highlight what you can actually do, so that people can start booking you. So all right, so just take a look at that. Then you can see he's listed a number of items here, and in terms of what he can actually do, and it all entails to the same niche, which is website development and all that. So you want to select a niche that you are going to go with. So if it's something to do with marketing, you want to be a social media manager, you want to know social media marketing, you want to know digital marketing, you want to know SEO, you want to know content marketing. So you want to have wide knowledge in your set niche, so that maybe you can add different activities as items that you're going to provide, because I believe just sticking to one item, it's going to limit you, but having different capabilities in a specific niche is going to even sell you further. So that is the basic there. So the next thing is let's go back. If you just go back to Fiverr, so I just want to show you. So you just seen all the activities. So let's say if it's going to drop shipping, if you can select drop shipping here. So you see here we have people who are offering services like creating Shopify stores, creating drop shipping stores. So it's just a matter of listing out the product that or the skill that you're good at, so that people can start booking you. And the next thing is you want to do a good job. Once you do get a job, yeah, so you want to do a good job, so that the person who had hired you initially can come back and leave reviews for you. So if you go back to the one we had for web developer, I just want to show you the type of reviews this person is getting, and I believe these are what is selling. So you see this person has over 1000 reviews. So just come here to reviews. So you see this person has well over 1000 reviews. So you want to do a good job, so that the person who has taken or who has hired you for that gig is able to come back to Fiverr and give you a good rating. So a good rating will be 4 to 5 stars, or 4 to 5 star rating. If you do get that, it's going to prove that you are a person who actually can do what they have set out to do, or can do what they have listed here on Fiverr. Because if you come back here and you are looking for a website developer, the first thing you're going to look at is a person with a good star rating and a person with quite a number of reviews. That gives you a trust factor, and it has a trust effect in the sense that you want to trust a person who has received previous or prior ratings, good ratings actually, for jobs he or she has done there before. So you want to really do a good job so that you can get these good reviews. So remember, people normally trust what they can see, and people normally trust what has been done before successfully. So remember, it's just that easy. Come to Fiverr. You do not need any marketing fee. You do not need any amount to start. So once you do create your listings here, and you need to use the skills, you need to use these skills are the ones that are going to sell you, because if you do search for website developer, the skills that this person has listed as a website developer is what is going to have you show up on Fiverr. So the next thing is, if you do want to fasten the process, you can start sharing a link of your Fiverr page with friends and family, and people who you've worked for before, or people who you've worked with before. So it's just a link. Just share on your Facebook pages, or just share on your Instagram pages. And if people are actually in need of the services you're going to offer, once they do click on your link, they are going to head over to your page, and they can actually start booking your gig. So the next thing is, you need also to share what is needed. You need to share what is needed, so that when a person is looking to book your gig, yeah, he or she knows, after I have maybe ordered the gig here, what is needed of me. So you need to list all the items you need, so that you can get started with the Fiverr development, or with the Fiverr project that the person is going to book out with you. So that is basically it. So to start, just go to Fiverr on the home page, click on join. So once you do click on join, you're going to start. So I'm going to I'm going to share a link in the description, whereby you can just click on the link, and it's going to take you to Fiverr, and you can open your account and start listing the business that you are really good at. And I hope you can get the sales you need to get you started. So these are business that needs absolutely $0 to get started.